Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread using a gas oven. Let's start by gathering your ingredients and preparing your baking space. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, along with common pantry staples. Preheat your gas oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare a standard loaf pan by greasing and lightly flouring it. This ensures your bread won't stick. Now let's get to mixing. First, mash your 3 to 4 ripe bananas until they are mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients such as eggs, melted butter or oil, and any vanilla extract. In another bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, including flour, sugar, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the wet and dry mixtures together until just combined. It's time to bake your banana bread in the gas oven. Carefully pour the prepared batter into your greased and floured loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit gas oven. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean when ready. Your delicious banana bread is almost ready to enjoy. Once baked, remove the loaf pan from the gas oven and let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up. After 10 minutes, carefully invert the bread onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice it up and savor your warm, homemade banana bread. It's perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.